Yeah, Craig is for 12-13 certified. I'm just gonna pull up proof of time so you guys, people that aren't watching live, can see that it was done after the auction. Very clear. There we go. Refresh. Okay. Serial number 191017610. Here's it. Good luck. You can't hear? Everybody else here? Base. Oh, first off the bat. Freshman signatures numbered to 999 for the Boston Bruins, Maxime Sauvé. Base. Base. This will be a random between Florida Panthers and the New Jersey Devils. Path to the Cup out of 399, Bernier and Brian Campbell. Base. Jersey card. Base. Numbered out of 999 for the Nashville Predators, Masked Marvels, Pekka Rinne. And another one. That's funny. Dual jersey, Path to the Cup, Patrick Elias, Chris Versteeg, New Jersey Devils, Florida, again numbered out of 250. And I'm pretty sure the same person has both those teams, so that might not be a random. Base. Oh. Maybe the goalie pull. Base. Yep. Base. For the St. Louis Blues goalie pull, just the regular version, Brian Elliott. Base. Numbered out of 99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Eric Johnson. Base. Base. Redemption. Base. We have for the Dallas Stars, freshman fabrics mirrored red, so I believe it's going to be out of 100, and it's the autographed jersey rookie, Scott Glennie. So that's not bad. Those fall only one in every 4 boxes or so it's pretty good. That's a good hit. Could be a better name. Base. Oh, nice. Masked Marvels for the Phoenix Coyotes, numbered 4 out of 5, Mike Smith. Just reading the line there. Base. Numbered out of 999 for the New York Rangers, Immortals, Brian Leach. Base. Oh, for the Columbus Blue Jackets, numbered out of 150. Certified Fabrics of the Game jersey, Jack Johnson. Base. I guess that's the hits, right? 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Base. That is it.